You know what? You're handsome. Are you straight or bygone or manual or crossing? What is? Are you part of LGU or straight ahead?
I am unidentified human being, UFO.
Ah,
I'm alien.
you're alien, so spicy ka? Spider-Man?
Yes. LGU?
But you're handsome. Are you single?
No, I'm not now. No, not.
Why?
Are you?
Are you?
But it's okay. We can change our mind.
Okay, because we have change current your mind. As long as you have a cysto in your brain tumor.
Oh my god. How about you? You have love life now?
Yes, I have a relationship because as long as you can feel the love, you always choosing you make me happy because love is not refundable.
How do you feel love?
Love. Think 50% love and 50% labor. That is the creation of love and labor. Yes. Someone is here in my comment section is your artist. You artist?
Before.
But you
Sometimes.
quit. Okay. I'm
Just
very happy and very thankful because you're here in my live wire right now. You're so very popular.
I'm
And I am a singular. What?
I'm plural.
No, you're singular. I'm plural. Oh, wait. What is your eating, baby? Are you finished to eat your dinner?
This is part of my dinner. This is a protein bar,
Protein bar?
Yeah, you want?
Oh my God. Open your mouth. Pag si Lucio ayaw kumain, ako ang nagpapakain. Tagay na.
Painisin daw kita.
What?
Painisin daw kita.
Ano daw?
Marunong ka daw mag-Chinese?
Repeat. Chinese?
Marunong ka daw?
No, Korean lang.